Let's go, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn more words. So let's look at our goals again. I am going to say the word. That means you will listen to the word, like the word said. Then you will say it and I'll be quiet. Once you say the word, you're going to read it in a sentence like the word said. For example, today she said no. And say it like talking. Today she said no. Once you've read the word in a sentence like talking, you're going to write it as quickly as you can. And as you write each word, you're going to say each word. Saying each word helps you to think about the word while you write it. So here are our goals. Listen to the word, say it, read it in a sentence, and write it as quickly as you can, saying each word while you write it. So listen, say it, read it, write it. Get your mouth ready. Get your mouth ready. First word, listen. Again. Again. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. I will read a sentence like talking. They came here again. Now you read it like talking. Now we're going to write the sentence quickly. Say each word while you write it. They came here again. Now you read it like talking. They came here again. Get your mouth ready. Next word, off. Off. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. I will read the sentence like talking. Take off your shoes. Now you read it like talking. Now it's time to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Take off your shoes. Let's read it like talking. Take off your shoes. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Went. Went. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. I will read our sentence like talking. She went through the door. You read it like talking. Now it's time to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. She went through the door. Let's read it like talking. She went through the door. Get your mouth ready. Listen. Next word. Old. Old. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the sentence like talking. Be kind to old people. Now you read it like talking. Let's write our sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. Be kind to old people. Let's read it like talking. Be kind to old people. Get your mouth ready. Listen. Next word, number. Number. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. I will read the sentence like talking. Say that number again. Now you read it like talking. Now it's time to write our sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. Say that number again. Now let's read it like talking. Say that number again. Get your mouth ready. Listen. Next word. Great. Great. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now let's read our sentence like talking. Great people read good books. Now you read it like talking. It's time to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Great people read good books. Let's read it like talking. Great people read good books. Get your mouth ready. Listen. Next word. Tell. Tell. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read our sentence like talking. Tell me a great story. Now you read it like talking. It's time to write our sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Tell me a great story. Now let's say it like talking. Tell me a great story. Get your mouth ready. Listen. Next word. Men. Men. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read our sentence like talking. They saw 3 men. Now you read it like talking. Now it's time to write our sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. They saw 3 men. Let's read that sentence like talking. They saw 3 men. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Say. Say. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read our sentence like talking. We can say this word again. Now you read it like talking. Now it's time to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. We can say this word again. Let's say that sentence like talking. We can say this word again. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Small. Small. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read our sentence like talking. They saw 3 small men. Now you say it. Okay, let's write our sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. They saw 3 small men. Let's read our sentence like talking. They saw 3 small men. Get your mouth ready for more.